Swiss scientists able to offer lab-grown ghosts now. Ever had a ghostly feeling that someone was watching you? Swiss scientists now say that ghostly feelings or manifestations are just a trick of the brain when it loses track of the body's location. This may occur due to stress or other factors. Researchers discussed the case of Reinhold Messner, a high-altitude mountaineer who felt the presence of a third, non-existent hiker during his descent from the Himalayas mountains. At the time, Messner was exhausted, freezing, and oxygen-deprived. He claimed he could sense the presence of a third hiker just to his right, out of his line of sight during the descent. The Swiss researchers built a robot which could be controlled by participants. These movements were then relayed to a slave robot which could touch volunteers on their back. 12 volunteers were blindfolded and asked to move the robot. It was only when scientists delayed the movements of the second robot by only 500 milliseconds, volunteers would begin to feel another presence in the room. Some said they could feel up to 4 different presence, and 2 volunteers were so creeped out that they asked to stop the test. Prior to the test, the scientists had tested 12 individuals who suffered from neurological disorders, as well as ghostly apparitions. All 12 showed disturbances in 3 parts of their brain: the insular cortex, the parietal frontal cortex, and the temporoparietal cortex. These sections of the brain control movement, self-awareness, and spatial awareness.
See a story that really should be animated? Suggest stories to Tomo News now.